Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Okay, bye.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Okay, so jury members, can we proceed? Next would be Ishika.
Hey Harry, how are you? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Ishika, you're
Yes,
audible.
Ishika, you are audible. Please start.
Okay. Good afternoon, judges and all my contestants. I am Ishika Pal. I'm from Uttarpara, Hubli, the place of angels. Currently, I'm pursuing my graduation courses with charter accounting courses simultaneously. I'm graduating, specializing in finance and accounting. My hobbies include painting and doing makeup, and these are the two talents which I possess. From my makeup look today, you can understand that I've created a nude formal look with nude eyes and peachy lips. In painting, I really enjoy doing mandala and Zentangle art. Some of my paintings are here. This is a Zentangle art. This is a mandala Zentangle combination. This is also a mandala and Zentangle combination. This is something which I was inspired from Mahabharata, and so I did it. And this is a tribal painting, which is also known as graphics art. I really enjoy them because this makes me very happy. And whenever I feel sad and depressed, I do them so to refresh my mood and give me a lot of energy. My name means sacred brush, and I think this is something which really makes me so much inclined towards makeup and painting. I believe if you aim higher, then you reach up to a height. And if you aim up to a height, you reach nowhere. And so this is what brings me here today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ishika. Thank you.
Thank you, Harry.
We shall move forward with Jenny. Hi, Jenny. Can we hear from you? Jenny, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but can you?
Okay, shall we start? Jenny, you can start. आप म्यूट पे हो आप.
Yeah. Now, am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible. Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jenny Koshi, and I come from a city which is known for its educational hub, IT sector, and also for its heritage, that is Pune. Though I am staying in Pune, I am a native of Kerala. Right from a very young age, my parents, my church, and the school have introduced me to various forms of art. My interests revolve around painting, sketching, traveling, singing, dancing. I love to spend my free time with the kids in the orphanage and also with old age home people. And in the near future, I also plan to have one of my own. My parents have been my biggest inspiration, and from a very young age, I have always seen them portray the real meaning of having compassion, having care, and showing love to the underprivileged. And that is the exact reason why I choose to become a doctor. And I'm so glad that this year I was able to be a COVID warrior and help so many patients. It was a great experience altogether. In the near future, if I win the crown, I would like to take the opportunity to extend my help to the undeserved people in the society through all my talents. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you. So I'd like to ask Akansha if she's back and if her connection is stable now. Akansha, आपके वीडियो में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. You need to connect from another device maybe because I think this isn't working. या नेटवर्क में कुछ इशू है तो आप प्लीज थोड़ा फिगर आउट कर लीजिए. डोंट वरी, यू कैन डू इट थोड़ा आराम से. लेट मी जस्ट कैरी ऑन टिल देन. कोमल, हाय कोमल, कैन वी हियर फ्रॉम यू?
हेलो मैम.
हाय कोमल, शुरू करें? आर यू रेडी?
यस मैम, आई एम रेडी.
ओके, गो अहेड.
मैम, मैं अपने इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहूंगी सबसे पहले. मेरा नाम कोमल है और मैं 21 साल की हूँ और मैं होटल मैनेजमेंट से जॉब करती हूँ. मुझे डांस करना और गाना गाना बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं आपको डांस करके अभी नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम दिखाऊंगी. अब बस इतना ही. ओके मैम.
Okay, Komal, thank you so much. If that was it, and yep, I shall move forward. Jury members, can I proceed? Is the piece okay? Thank you. All right. So the
Yes,
sequence
ma'am.
after Komal would be Meghna, Namrata, Pooja, Pratiksha, and Raichal. I really don't know how to pronounce the last name, but I tried. So next would be Meghna ji. Hi, Meghna. आप unmute कीजिए अपने आप को. अभी भी आप म्यूट पे हैं. नीचे माइक का ऑप्शन होगा बॉटम कॉर्नर पे. माइक का वीडियो का नहीं ऑफ करना है, माइक ऑन करना है आपको. Okay, I guess Meghna might take time. Let me see. Yes, Meghna, आप दिख रही हैं? आपको माइक का ऑप्शन नीचे बटन होगा.
Yes.
Unmute
Now
कीजिए अपने
I'm
आप.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Shall we start?
Yeah. Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon, judges, and my pranams to respected judges. As my birth sign says, I am a Leo. I wear confidence as my outfit, smile as my makeup, blessings as my footsteps, and forever FSI 2021 is my mission to see the vision towards uplift the women of my like-minded people like me. I'm here to discover myself, to see the best version of myself. My goal is to upload the happiness amongst the women through this wonderful platform. I'm grateful to the judges who gave the creative, innovative platform to the women like us. I'm 46. So it's a great pleasure. I'm blessed with this platform where one can speak the truth, one can speak the reality, one can speak the from heart. Since health is a secondary thing that money cannot buy, so I'm spreading awareness regarding health. I'm by giving lifestyle modifications plan, tell people to laugh as much as possible, to love themselves, and to live stress-free life by yoga and meditation. And I love myself. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Meghna. Thank you. So I shall proceed with next would be Namrata, who is all prepared with her, I guess, performance. Yeah. Namrata, please unmute कर लीजिए अपने आप को. Are we ready?
Am I audible and visible to everyone?
Yes, perfectly visible. Start.
And also, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Namaste, India and juries, my respected juries. I am Namrata Nath and I am representing my native place, Kolkata. I am pursuing my master's in GIS and remote sensing, and I help people travel across the globe without sitting on a plane. From satellites and coordinates to making maps sums up my profession. At the age of 6, I won the title Miss Happy Child High School in Guwahati. My goal in life is to serve my country. Who said one needs a uniform to serve the country? I can even serve my country by wearing my talents and the jewel crown. Safar khoobsurat hai manzil se bhi, and that's why I am here to learn and to win this biggest beauty pageant, FSI Miss India 2021. That's how I never go wrong. I'm a brown belt in martial arts, and this is my nunchaku. I show my skills. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. There are some of my arts which I would like to display. Is it visible? I have done some sketches and paintings, and I love doing them. There are some representatives of my mood, my culture, and I'm also an NCC cadet under Air Force. And these are some of my paintings. I have represented India, and I have won a bronze.
Okay, Namrata, that would be it. That completes your time. And that was some, numerous talents, I would say, and the number was great. But moving forward, thank you so much. So let me just move forward. Jury members, can I proceed? Thank you. All right, next. So the sequence next would be Pooja, Pratiksha, Rachel, Ria, Shalini, Shivangi, and then of course the further one. So next would be Pooja. Hi Pooja, can I hear from you please?
दिल कहता है चले उनसे मिल उठते हैं कदम रुक जाते हैं दिल हमको कभी समझाता है हम दिल को कभी समझाते हैं. Hello everyone, myself Pooja Mehta. I'm from Delhi. I'm working as a respiratory technician in a hospital, and my talent is music. See, music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Music makes me happy, and I'm good in managing things like my study, my passion, my work, and my goal in life is to be an IAS officer, and I'm working for that also, to serve the community and to work with and to work for the people around me, those who are in need. And it's important to have a balance in life because you can't ignore one thing for another. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you. Next would be Pratiksha. Hi, Pratiksha.
Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Correct?
हाँ.
Yes, you are audible. Okay.
Hello everyone. My name is प्रतीक्षा मोडक और मैं महाराष्ट्र राज्य के वर्धा सिटी से हूँ, जो कि महात्मा गांधी जी की कर्म भूमि कहलाई जाती है. और मैं अभी 23 इयर्स की हूँ. My hobbies are traveling, cooking, dancing, but my extra talent is poetry. पोएट्री मैंने तब से सीखी है जब मैं डिप्रेशन में थी। डिप्रेशन के बाद मुझे ये लगा कि उस पोएट्री मैंने लिखने लगी डिप्रेशन के बाद। तो ये मेरा गुस्से में जो मैंने पोएट्री लिखी थी, वो मेरा हुनर था। शायद और मैंने उसी गुस्से को अपना हुनर बना लिया। सो कैन आई स्टार्ट माय पोएट्री? यूं ही नहीं आया मुझ में ये मुस्कुराने का हुनर, बदले में कितने घाव झेले हैं इस दिल पे मैंने। समझने वाला नहीं था जब कोई मुझे, तब से सबको समझाने का प्रयास किया है मैंने। इल्जाम लगने लगे जब बेमतलब ही, तब से दूसरों को माफ करना सीखा है मैंने। 100 बार टूटा जब ये दिल इस सीने में, तब जाके दूसरों का दिल जीतना सीखा है मैंने। थैंक यू मैम। इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, Pratiksha, that was very clear. Thank you so much. So I shall move forward to Rachel. I don't know if that's how her name is pronounced. I'm really sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. But
It's
yeah, over to you. Rachel, all right. Are we ready?
Hello everyone, my name is Rachel. I was gifted with life 25 years ago. I'm from Tamil Nadu and I work as an occupational therapist, which means that I'm a doctor for the specially abled children and I physically, mentally and emotionally rehabilitate people. So as of my talents, I was blessed from a very young age of painting. I used to express myself through colors. And those are a few of my recent paintings displayed on my wall. And I like to experiment. So I bought new makeup stuff for this Forever Miss India. So I didn't know actually how to apply it mostly. So I started using it to do one of my painting. And this painting is totally made up of makeup. And these are a few of my sketches that I did recently. And to come to my hobbies, I usually use my hobbies to balance me. Like physically, I was a footballer. So I still play football with young children, very young boys, and I still play badminton. And mentally, I listen to music and write quotes and poetry. And spiritually, I stargaze and I always look at sunrise and sunset. I am mostly interested in anthropology and historical and cultural studies. I like to cook South Indian dishes and bake cakes. And this is what I do most of the time when I'm free to keep myself physically, mentally, and emotionally balanced and happy. So I believe happiness is the essence. And I thank you so much for your time and your interest in trying to know me and know my interests. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rachel. Thank you.
Thank
So
you,
the
ma'am.
next sequence would be Riya, Shalini, Shivangi, Shweta, Suraya, Vaishali, and Vishal Jyoti Roy. That's her name that has come up. And let's move forward to Riya. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Riya Paul from Kolkata, the city of joy. And this is exactly what defines my personality, that is always cheerful. I'm currently pursuing my PhD from IIT Bombay in biomedical engineering, but I don't limit myself only to studies and research. I also love to enjoy myself by dancing, traveling, trying new foods, and of course, I am a fashion enthusiast. I was the fashion convener at IIT Bombay, and in my tenure, I have organized and participated in various ramp walks and photo shoot sessions. And this really makes me happy and gives me a lot of confidence. I have joined FCR because it will help me to revive myself to be more optimistic, polished, and an inspiration for others. I would love to keep my intro short and end with a dance performance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Riya. Thank you. Moving ahead to Shalini. Hi, Shalini. Unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.